How to show or hide quick controls in Android Auto on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down. Scroll down, you will see second option is Connected Devices. So click on Connected Devices. Now here, so scroll down and click on Android Auto. So after click on Android Auto, so scroll down and you will see taskbar widget is here. So if you want to hide quick control in Android Auto, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see quick control is hide. So if you want to show quick controls in Android Auto, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see quick control in Android Auto is show. So you will hide or show quick control in Android Auto from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can show or hide quick controls in Android Auto on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.